Hey there, it's Stephanie Janiga here with Janiga Group Home Sales. So today I wanted to talk with you about 5 new landscaping trends for 2019 that are super hot right now. So the first thing is dual purpose items in your landscaping. And what I mean by that is you could have let's say an edible vertical trellis in your yard that actually doubles as a fence, or you could have a nice retainer wall that's also like seating for guests for entertainment. Or even a nice colorful garden bed that would separate 2 properties. So just dual purpose. The second thing that we're seeing is a lot of automated lawn and landscape equipment. So I don't know if you've checked these out before, but I've got a Roomba at home that actually vacuums my carpeting for me. It's pretty sweet. So they have these for your lawn. They literally mow your lawn for you, and it's all automated. It's awesome. You gotta check these out. Or even your automatic sprinkler systems that go on and off so you don't have to control them or they go off in the rain. So the third thing that's super hot right now is pergolas. So a pergola kind of goes up over your deck or your patio and shades it a little bit. You could have flowers growing up those, or people are really decking them out nowadays with like roll down shades. They've got heaters and lighting, so they're really awesome nowadays. And it's really kind of like beefing up the backyard and giving you an extra living space that is really sellable and adds some value to your property. So the last 2 things are, number 4 is pink. I'm not a pink person, but they're telling us that 2019 pink is the new color for landscape design, flowers, accents, things like that. So we'll see if that happens here. And then the 5th thing is metal art or metal design. Lots of just points in your landscaping or accents or sculptures. Metal's becoming really hot. So I hope those 5 tips help you out with your landscaping. Give us a call if you need any help, 888-98-HOMES.